Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. Today I'm in our technical lab at our UK hub in Chadderton, Manchester. Okay, let's get started. In this video we're going to look at how you would change the code on a 2N IP Intercom. We're going to be using the force, but this applies to the Verso as well, or anything with a keypad really. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, using network scanner, let's double click on that and start a network scan. You can see here I've got two devices, so I'm going to browse into the force. Now this is already installed and working, so I already have a username and password for it. So I'll log in with my username and password, admin and then the password for it. Click on login. And that will take you to the splash screen, the start screen for the device. So if we were to click on the blue tag there, directory, and then click on a user, in a particular user, and scroll to the bottom of the screen, you can see there we have the field that says user code. Now I've already got a code inputted here, which is 2580, straight down the middle. So I can change that code to whichever code I like. Perhaps I'll change it to 1234. So let's type that in. And once the code's typed in, press save, and that's the code changed in the device. Installers rely on ADI. The ADI projects and technical teams offer a pre-configuration service. Any project size from a single device or to a complex system. Any IP device can be configured from our central hub using our technical and projects teams. Having your device pre-configured will save engineers time on site. We can set your IP address, the gateways, and in addition we'll make sure your device has the latest firmware on board. Simply get in touch with your ADI sales contact or email the projects team. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.